listening to me. I really appreciate that.
Women appreciate men who listens. Married, babe, married. So...
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We're 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
My biryani rice is... Gilas. Gilas.
Oh, that's gonna burn.
Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody to set face.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you.
But we're here in the middle of the beautiful bay. So many iconic buildings that are special to Singapore. Where are we gonna go for some good food? We need to invade someone's kitchen.
Singapore is a food paradise.
So much food.
We have food places at every nook and cranny.
Everywhere.
Yep.
Where do we go?
Well, okay. Esplanade looks like a durian.
Uh-huh.
Durian, fruit. Fruit, food. Food should be there.
Food.
Go there.
Hello.
Hey, bro.
Hey, hi.
My name is Bob.
Hi, Bob.
This is Ming. You are?
Chai.
So we have an offer for you today that we don't think you can refuse. We would like you to choose a dish on your menu. And then we're going to...
Invade your kitchen.
Invade my kitchen.
And we're going to make a healthier, but yet retain the yumminess.
Are you sure?
We'll try.
We'll try.
Try?
Okay.
Which dish are you going to choose for us to, make
Singapore
it into
favorites, laksa.
Before we get into that, we would love to try your laksa. Can try the dish?
Sure. This is laksa.
Hello.
Yep, for you to try.
Smells steady,
Smells
nice.
good.
And
My God.
All this is started from home. As we grew up eating and then we love it. So we thought, why not we just share with everybody in Singapore?
And then everything is nice and rich. The seafood inside, the coconut flavor. It's just rich, tasty, savory.
It's glistening, it's wholesome. And that sea hum. Give that kick, man.
Before we start getting into cooking this dish and trying to add a healthier twist to it, there's someone that we need to call in. She's gonna help us a little bit with options and ideas.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Victoria.
Hi, I'm Chai.
Nice
Welcome
to meet
OSD.
you.
Thank you.
All right, what do we have today?
This is laksa.
Let me give you some healthier ingredients to inspire you today. So I have prawns here. They're nice and lean, but you do have to watch out of the cholesterol levels. So you want to use about 1 serving, that's 90 to 100 grams. So I have low-fat milk for you guys. A good start to getting healthier would just use low-fat. Noodles. Okay, so whole grain doesn't come in just rice and bread. It actually comes in noodle form too, even bihun, mee kia, kway teow. So whole grain fill you up longer. Well, I hope you guys can create something special today.
Looking forward to it.
Please.
All right.
Let's go. I'm making a healthier laksa dish. What I'm gonna try and do is turn it into a dry pasta. So instead of putting my prawn and fish cake inside the laksa, I'm making a laksa otak.
Laksa otak.
Together with whole grain noodles that I have. I'm quite confident this is going to be extremely tasty. See, there's a happy ending to this.
Ming, for me, to make this dish a healthier version, I'm not going to serve it with noodles. I'm going to serve it with brown rice.
Then I think we can just end the show here because you're not making laksa anymore.
Bro, it is laksa because why? It is as if like you eating curry cut rice.
So that's curry rice, not laksa.
Yeah, lah. Basically, laksa and broth is curry, bro. To make my rempah, okay, I'm gonna blend my dry chilies separately so when I cook it together, the redness will be much more robust. Healthy facts about chilies is low in calorie, and fun facts about chilies is a disinfectant for bad breath. Oh, nice breath.
Ginger is well known for anti-inflammatory properties. They also are very good for your gut flora, so I'm putting them into my rempah. This is also for my rempah. Key to lemongrass. Always give it a bit of a bash first. You want to get those oils out. Lemongrass helps to relieve anxiety and tension. And if you don't like drinking plain water, you put this into water with lime leaves, a bit of lime peel. Gives you a nice fragrant water, yeah?
Bro, you want to know another fun fact? You know this powder?
Yes.
Okay, you put this on here. It acts as a mosquito repellent, bro.
Mosquitoes like to bite you, is it?
Of course, I'm sweet.
Salads are the mainstay of Asian cuisine, huh? The flavor pack. What are you doing? Hey, hello.
I'm teaching the kitchen hack of peeling your garlic without knife. So you just whack it. Another kitchen hack. I have this laksa leaf, okay? Mostly the laksa leaf, we need to sprinkle some before we serve to the guests. So instead of this chopping and waste time, okay, I'm gonna use the microwave oven, just crunch it up. Turns into laksa powder. Amazing.
So I'm getting my components together for my laksa pesto paste. A pesto is a European paste, usually made with some nuts, right, as a basis for our pesto. We're also using cashew nuts. Now I'm gonna loosen this up with a little bit more olive oil, some more healthy fat in there. I've got this to where I want it. It's nice and savory, it's light, it smells great. I'm gonna disturb Bob with it. Chef Bob, what are you doing?
Rempah lah.
Rempah. Okay, I want you to remember this smell, this scent, because it is a scent of a winning dish. Smell that, take a good... I'll be happy to give you the recipe if you like, you know?
Ming, I was taught by my mother, when you have nothing good to say, don't say anything at all.
On, keep on!
Boom!
Yeah.
I have my prawns over here. I'm gonna peel this, okay? Just the middle part of the shell. Easy for your customer to eat. No need to peel for you. I peel for you. And the prawn shells. Flavor. I haven't added any salt into it, so it's much more healthier.
Bob's using rice. What do you think of that?
Yeah, could be something that I've seen probably the first time.
Hopefully, it'll work out.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make my seafood ota. I'm doing an ota because I want a bit more protein and I want to make sure that I get some of this fish in.
Hey, B.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm gonna use skim milk, yes, and less of coconut cream. The ratio 2:1. Again, without compromising the
Yes.
wholesomeness of the creamy flavor.
Good, I like that.
The brown rice, okay, is almost done.
My whole grain noodles are just about done. Look at that, every strand coated. I think this dish is gonna really impress Chai.
Because, you know, it's something pretentious with your laksa.
Bob, good, Bob.
Between the two, what piques your interest a little bit more?
The pasta. I think using pasta can be something that may attract certain people because some people may want something for the twist.
All right, time to plate up. I want to hide in my dish, so I'm twirling it so it stands up.
Nothing pretentious, just wholesome goodness, but a healthier version of laksa. Let's go, baby. Ming, you're gonna lose.
Chef Chai here is going to pick one of your dishes The dish needs to be healthier, but still retain the yumminess of laksa. Guys, remember what the stakes are here? You're not just doing this for your ego, but also for the golden spoon. Stakes are high. All right, starting with you, Ming, why don't you tell us a bit about your dish?
This is a whole grain noodle mixed together with a laksa leaf pesto. And on top of that, I have 3 really tasty prawn and fish cakes. And it has a nice protein punch with the fish and prawn on top.
What do you think so far?
It's very aromatic. It's not dry, but you can't beat the real laksa. It's a little bit lacking of the laksa flavor in the pasta itself.
Chef Bob, tell us
Yes.
about your dish.
Laksa isn't laksa without the broth. So,
Fighting
I
words.
do still have the broth, but I use lesser coconut cream.
So this is a curry rice.
It is laksa nasi kandar.
Known as curry rice, not laksa.
It's a healthier version of a laksa.
All right, please dig in.
By the tau pork.
Okay.
The brown rice actually gives a little bit of texture. So when you're eating the rice, it feels a little bit like eating this laksa noodle. Let me try the prawns.
You can see the prawns are, make it into like a cobra,
The prawn is nicely cooked, aroma, but a little bit too spicy. So it's not kids friendly.
I think it's time to announce who the winner is going to be. In 3, 2, 1, it is
Laksa rice.
laksa rice. We need the golden spoon. Chef Bob.
Thanks to Ming for a good competitor, but still, well, I'm the best. I'm the best.
Brother, I'm peeking. Brother, I'm peeking. To the top, I'm speeding. Crown seeking. Dream chase while you sleeping.